how to remove Alight motion watermark. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Alight motion, then export the video with the watermark itself, then open up the Alight motion again and that particular video that you exported. After that, add a layer on it, a layer that will cover up whole screen and fill the screen with that particular layer of the square or rectangle, whatever works for you. After that, select both these layers, which is the shape that is covering the screen and your video, and after that group mask them and then rotate them to 180 degree. After that, you need to export this video again, and now you have two videos, one with the watermark and the other one which is also with the watermark, but it is 180 degree upside down and also it has a shape on top of it. So after that, you need to open up CapCut. Now in CapCut, add the original export clip, which is the first one with the watermark. Make sure that you add it as a clip, and after that you need to add the second export, which we exported from Alight motion, as an overlay or the top layer on CapCut. And now you need to rotate it back to the normal because we rotated it to 180 degree in Alight motion. Now we need to get it back to normal. After that, you need to select the original video which has watermark. It is the lower video. Simply select it and then find the mask button in your CapCut. After that, select the mirror option in CapCut, and this way a mirror will appear at the center of this screen. You need to rotate this particular mirror clockwise, and after that move it to the left hand side, and after that you will be able to find that the watermark is gone from the Alight motion export, and this way you can export the video from CapCut now and you would be getting a video without watermark. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.